This is how you start.
So you have 3 colors ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ 7
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ನೋಡಿ
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್. ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಇದು 29 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
229. ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ರದ್ದು?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಬಂದು 2,23,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
2,23,000 ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದು ನ್ಯೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ರಿಬೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
ಏರ್ಬೋಲ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್
ಓಕೆ,
ಮೀಟಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಡ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಡ್. ಆ ಕಡೆ ರೆಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈ ಕಲರ್ಗೂ ಈ ಕಲರ್ಗೂ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, 2,29,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು, 6,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್.
ಅದು ಮೆಟಾಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ?
ಇದು ಒಂದು 70-60.
70 ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥಂಡರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಥಂಡರ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಬರಲು ಇದು.
ಹೌದು,
ಈ ಬೈಕ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
So yeah guys, here we have Metro. Okay, so let's just start. So this is how you start. Okay, here it is. We have a gear indicator and almost foot pegs are way too ahead. We can get on. Yep, the ground clearance is fine. Just have to take a U-turn, and the pickup is really good. I'll be taking a U-turn now. A lot of traffic's coming in, so it has a gear indicator, fuel indicator, and the Vodo. So yeah, I think I have a metallic brown color with me now. So this is the top end version. In this version you are going to get the windshield. So I'm having a test ride of it. So let's see. It's way too comfortable guys, with very smooth engine. And this is how it sounds. Sound is good, pretty good. I mean to say, yeah, it's very decent. Not that too hard and banging. The bassy, it's not so bassy. So we have a light switch here. This is a pass, and this is this is how the light works. You can check out the on. It's good, and you can have the time. You can see it here, and my speed is almost very less. Fine to have it. Till 80 it is very butter smooth guys. It's too good. The quality is really very well done with this bike. Let's take a U-turn. U-turn is very easy. That's great. I'm going a little bit faster now. Let's see. That's what, as I said, 80 is where this bike's be good. Maneuvering is also fine. It's way better than on Thunderbird. The torque is very good. Eco gear. Mirrors are too dumb as expected. Lots of great visibility that you'll get. Overall the bike is awesome. So it is making in its own way, and it's good. Bit of off-roading, it's also fine. It's very comfortable. Yep, here we have so again, to turn it off, this is the one. Done. So done riding this bike. This bike is way awesome. So thanks for Royal Enfield Mysore, which is in the Incal Road. So it's pretty awesome to be here with you guys. Yep, that's great.